Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update for Firefox. The browser, which was now at 137, has a small update. If you go to your Firefox browser, upper right corner hamburger menu, and you go down to Help and About Firefox, you will be sent to version 137.0.1. This is a version that fixes 3 bugs that Firefox had. One is if you're using the Chihu 360 antivirus, you might have seen that your Firefox browser crashes randomly because of some incompatibility. That is fixed. Another one is you might have seen your Firefox browser crash at startup from time to time. That is also fixed. And the last one is about the upload of shortcuts that sometimes would actually be dealt with in a incorrect way. It's not the first time they're fixing this. I guess they have some kind of issue because it's been 2 or 3 times that they've been looking at shortcuts and trying to fix some issue with shortcuts. So I guess they're having a hard time with this one. So apparently now it's fixed, and for the rest it seems that everything's all right. So Firefox update 137.0.1 is the number, and it has nothing to do with security, so it will update by itself if you have no issues. But if you had some random crashes, maybe it's time to update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.